What is the lifespan of a pacemaker?
Hello and welcome everyone. Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of medical devices and specifically address the question, what is the lifespan of a pacemaker? This tiny device is a lifesaver for millions, but like any other device, it doesn't last forever. So, let's get started.
What is a pacemaker?
Before we get into the lifespan, it's important to understand what a pacemaker is. A pacemaker is a small device that is placed in the chest or abdomen to help control abnormal heart rhythms. This device uses electrical pulses to prompt the heart to beat at a normal rate and rhythm.
How long does a pacemaker last?
The lifespan of a pacemaker can be influenced by several factors, but on average, you can expect a pacemaker to last between 6 to 15 years. The longevity mainly depends on how much the pacemaker is used. More active use can result in a shorter lifespan because the device is constantly working to regulate the heart's rhythm.
What determines the lifespan of a pacemaker?
Several factors determine the lifespan of a pacemaker. These include the type of pacemaker, how often it's used, and the settings your doctor has programmed into the device. Devices that are used more often or have higher energy settings may deplete faster.
Can the pacemaker battery be replaced?
Yes, the battery in a pacemaker can indeed be replaced. This is usually a simple procedure where the old pacemaker is removed, the leads, wires, are left in place and a new device is reconnected. This procedure is commonly known as a pacemaker changeout or pacemaker replacement. So, there you have it. Although pacemakers have a significant lifespan, they don't last forever. It's crucial for individuals with pacemakers to have regular checkups to ensure their device is functioning well and to determine when it might be time for a replacement. Remember, this video is just a general guideline and the specifics can vary greatly depending on individual circumstances. Always consult with your healthcare provider for the most accurate information. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.